bairns and here tail morasses. A chiel the struts with pomp and flair, truth and he a pair sair. Read my lips, he cries with glee, and mooth his mouth comes fraud and lead. He swears to light the wrangs, his sair wrongs go worse when he gets mair. The WASPI woman told sail on their pensions lost and justice wrang. He spak care, he spak fight, yet still they wait me coin in sight. Read my lips, he vows again, yet all from shiver cauld with kind for winter's grip is sharp and cruel, and labour's net bed heating full. I labour's got its claws in deep to bairns, the bairns that you'll not go weak. They'll no repeal, they'll no make right, they'll just say what the Tories might. Read my lips, he cries and you while slushing help fade. Those nice still the sick, the tired, the souls in need, they'll feel the weight to labour's greed. Women toil sail on their pensions lost the justice wrang. He spak care, he spak fight, yet still they wait me coin in sight. The Tory clan and London steam as labour's way a broken dream, but Scotland's fate when they be swayed will tap or pop and they never trade the walls. Did proclaim a nuclear dream, but just in name. He spak lights, he spak cheer, yet left us in the dark with fear. A Tory plan on the scheme, that's labour's way, a broken dream. But Scotland's fate when they be swayed will tap or pat and they mair betray. You've got somewhere else, your words is guide us, shadows, gaps, flickering on leave all who pride. It's just the Tory right inside, but Scotland kens I always see clear. You're for totally on to spear for independence is our way, and labour's lies they release